Bitcoin right now is still moving sideways within this sideways range and is preparing right now for a massive breakout. And in today's video, I'm going to go over all the technicals right now in the Bitcoin chart. What are the technicals saying, but also what are the on-chain metrics saying right now about the Bitcoin price? Are the on-chain metrics right now bullish or bearish on Bitcoin? And can they help us to predict where we are going to see that breakout from? So guys, all about that in today's video. Let's dive right into it. And yeah, Bitcoin is still trading within the sideways range. We are still trading below the 61.80%, which is at approximately 51,300, right? But as you can see, when we are zooming in, we still set higher lows and higher highs. So it looks like that Bitcoin wants to continue this uptrend, and it looks like that we are just consolidating here and preparing for the next breakout. It is quite interesting because in the momentum indicators, we are actually seeing huge divergences already for quite some time. But yeah, as you guys know, when Bitcoin is looking extremely bullish in a bull market, then it is possible that these moments are just moments of consolidation, and that is right now also possible. That is not yet confirmed. That is only confirmed once we are breaking the declining resistance. But right now it's starting to look more and more that we might see Bitcoin during this range consolidating and actually preparing for the next major breakout. When we have a look at Bitcoin on the daily time frame, then we are seeing also some interesting signs, quite similar as the 4-hour. Bitcoin is moving sideways while the RSI is coming down. Normally in a bear market, that would be a very bearish sign. That would be a sign that Bitcoin is getting closer to a top and that we are going to see a reversal. However, when Bitcoin is looking extremely bullish, this can mean that this is a sign of consolidation, and it's starting to look more and more like that. That Bitcoin is moving sideways right here, while the RSI is resetting, and we eventually can break above that declining resistance and see that breakout in the price as well. It has to come along with each other. It has to coincide with each other. So if we get that break above the 61.80%, above 51,300, to get a decisive break, in my opinion, we also need to break the resistance in the momentum indicators. But I will show you in a bit that we can have a look at those in the short-term time frame as well. Then the most important moving average on the daily time frame right now is the 20 EMA, which is at right now approximately $48,000, and as long as Bitcoin is trading above this moving average, we are still on the uptrend on the daily time frame. So that is quite bullish for Bitcoin. Then guys, let's have a look at some on-chain analytics, and I want to start off with this chart, which is showing the exchange supply shock ratio, which is basically showing us that based on Bitcoins flowing in and out of exchanges, or which exchanges are holding, whether investors or smart money right now is in distribution or in accumulation. And what we can see right now is that we already surpassed the levels that we were when Bitcoin was trading at $64,000. So this metric is actually very bullish, and is showing us that if we just have a look at the supply on Bitcoin on exchanges, then we might see a supply shock, which means a bullish continuation for the Bitcoin price. Due to the fact that the demand stays the same, but the supply decreases, then eventually you get a higher price. Then guys, I want to show you this chart as well, which is showing the exchange supply shock ratio short term and the illiquid supply shock ratio, which is showing us that they all going up, which means that more and more smart money and more investors, they are in a accumulation phase and not in a distribution phase, which basically is bullish for Bitcoin. Then guys, this chart is confirming that scenario as well, that right now we are in a heavy accumulation range for Bitcoin, because what we can see right here is that the balance on exchanges is decreasing, which basically means that investors and smart money, of course, they are taking away their Bitcoin from exchanges, and we had a small uptick right here during the correction of Bitcoin, but right now we can see that that is decreasing again, which is confirming the fact that we are in a form of accumulation range. So guys, if we have a look at the on-chain metrics, then things are looking actually quite bullish. So guys, right now let's go back to the Bitcoin price, and yeah, the Bitcoin price and the chart right now can be a little bit confusing. That is due to the fact that we are seeing divergences with a lot of indicators right here with the price and the oscillators, which normally would mean that the certain momentum is running out of Bitcoin, and we did see momentum running out, right? The fuel of that rally is running out. However, it can be, like I said in my previous videos as well, guys, this can be a sign of consolidation where Bitcoin is just going to move sideways and the RSI is going to come down, reset, making more space for a bullish breakout right here. So that is something very important to remember, that these divergences, they don't yet mean anything until we are seeing a clear reversal sign in the price as well, and breaking key support and seeing that reaction in the price, which right now we basically not seeing, and Bitcoin, yeah, is just trying to continue to push to higher levels. And yeah, we might be seeing a break out of the declining resistance right here in the relative strength index, but also in the MACD. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame again, guys, because there we can see the downtrend in the momentum indicators more clearly. So right here on the 4-hour time frame, we have a very clear resistance in the relative strength index. We also have a very clear resistance right here on the MACD. Which is basically also showing us that, yeah, during this move right here, the fuel of the bullish momentum is running out due to the fact that we are consolidating, right, getting rejected at the resistance. But the price, the structure of the price is not looking bearish. So that is an important fact right here. The structure of the price is not looking bearish, which means that we have to be cautious right here to interpret these divergences as a bearish signal, because it just could be a moment of consolidation where eventually Bitcoin can see a break out of the resistance and continue this uptrend. Then guys, let's dive into the 1-hour time frame and let me show you the levels that I'm watching right now in the Bitcoin price. Well, first of all, Bitcoin is trading within this bigger sideways range where the resistance is at slightly above 51,000 US dollars. The top right here is at 51,120, depending of course which chart you look at, but the golden ratio is at 51,300. I think that is going to be a very important level, and the support right here is at approximately 46,700, and in between right here at 48,000 we got that moving average on the daily time frame, the 20 EMA coming in as well. So that is a important level to have in mind right here too. So Bitcoin basically right now is trading between this resistance and this support, and within this resistance and support range we also have another support level right here, which right now is holding support, and that is the level of 49,000. Yes, it's a zone basically for 49,800 going up to 49,900. And what we can see right here is that we had some form of a W formation right here, which was bullish with these bullish divergences. Here we also turned bullish, right, that Bitcoin might be seeing a pump. Eventually we have seen that pump right here, getting rejected at the resistance, and right now we flipped this resistance zone into support. So Bitcoin right now is holding above this level and is in the shorter term time frame trading between 49,900 right here and the resistance, the top at 51,100. If we can break above 51,100, which is also going to be a test of 51,300 at the 61.80%, and we can break above the declining resistances in the momentum indicators, I expect a continuation rally in the price of Bitcoin, which could actually be quite a significant rally, guys, and can be quite a push for Bitcoin, something we have seen with other altcoins as well, like Ethereum, that we can really see big rally right here. However, if Bitcoin were to lose these support levels, I think the first level to lose is 49,000. 900 to 49,800. If we lose that level decisively, the next level to watch is 48,000, the 20 EMA on the daily time frame. And if we lose that level, then things would actually start to look slightly more bearish due to the fact that we could be entering a downtrend on the daily time frame. But right now, that is not the case. So that is an important level for Bitcoin to hold, 48,000 US dollars on the daily time frame. Because that means that basically on the daily time frame we are still in an uptrend. And guys, I do expect Bitcoin to see a breakout out of this smaller range right here very, very soon. And you might even be able to predict that breakout already before we are seeing it in the price, due to the fact that we could be seeing that breakout already in the momentum indicators before we are seeing that breakout actually in the price. But okay guys, now I'm very, very curious about what you think about this, what you think about what is going to happen with the Bitcoin price. Do you think that right here we can break above these horizontal resistance and we can start another rally which can bring Bitcoin thousands of US dollars higher than where we are right now? Or do you still expect Bitcoin to see a correction right here before we might continue this uptrend? Guys, let me know what you think down below in the comment section. Then guys, for all the traders out there who are interested in trading the next major Bitcoin move, I would highly suggest you to use either the Bybit platform or the Femix platform, and you can trade over on the Bybit and Femix exchange with margin, but also on the spot market. And if you sign up using my affiliate link down below on Bybit, you can get an additional bonus of 610 US dollars. And on the Femix platform, you can get an additional bonus of 2,000 US dollars if you use my sign up link down below to join one of these exchanges. Then guys, I want to thank you all for watching. If you haven't seen one of my tutorials from Bybit or Femix, you can go over there and have a look. I want to wish every single one of you an amazing Sunday, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.